This video I'm going to show you how to do an equation. So we are looking at a molarity example where you have moles and you have molarity, so I need to find volume. So I'm going to go up here and this is the equation I'm going to model. So I'm going to start typing down here V equals, and then I'm going to go into my insert menu and you're going to see an entry for equation. When you click on equation, you get a new toolbar. So there's some Greek letters, some operation rules, relationships, so some things that you might need symbols for that are also found here. You might find that useful, some arrows. So we were going to do the ratio. So I'm going to click on that, and I want N, and I'm going to hit the space bar just to give myself a little more space to get down here. And I'm going to put big M on the bottom. Okay. If I type equals here, it's going to put the equal sign. So I'm going to actually hit enter, and then that should get me out of that. And then I'm going to do equals, and then I'm going to do that new equation. So I'm going to have another ratio, and I'm going to do my numbers now. I need the mole part on the top, so I'm going to type the 0.500 moles, and then on the bottom I'm just going to click to get down there, and I'm going to do the 0.800. Now you'll see big M, but every time I see big M in a problem, I'm going to convert it to moles per liter. That helps me with my units for later. And now I'm just going to type my answer, which is 0.625 liters. So that's a quick video on how to do the equations. You can leave this up here. This toolbar just sits here. If you feel like it's in your way, you can just close it and then open it again when you need it.